What is up, guys? Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the games running slow on laptop. So first, you need to head over to your Windows button, and then you need to search for Adjust. And when you will type Adjust here, you will see Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it, and after clicking, you need to check these checkboxes, which are smooth edges of screen fonts, smooth scrollless boxes. And if you don't want it, you can just simply uncheck them. And when you're done, click on Apply, and then OK. And after that, the next step is to come back to the Windows button again and then head over to settings. After clicking on settings, here you need to go to the gaming section. From here, you need to click on game bar, and then you need to make sure that you have turned on the game bar, and then you need to click on graphics. After clicking on graphics, here you need to make sure that you have turned the optimization for Windows games, and then in the advanced graphics settings, you have turned the variable refresh rate on. And the next thing is to simply close the settings and then head over to your control panel. After clicking on control panel, here you need to make sure that the view by is set to large icons. From here, you need to click on power options. After clicking on power options, here you need to make sure that the plan settings of the power option is at the maximum. And here, as you can see, this is balance. Here you will see the option of performance or maximum. So just simply choose that, and after that, your PC or laptop will start running fast. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.